Right now we're going to look at a real interesting bit of kit. It's our JV001G, our first jigsaw in the XGT 40V range. So it's a variable 6-speed brushless motor. It's actually produces 700 watts, which makes it our most efficient jigsaw across our AC and DC range. It has lock-on and function buttons both sides, as well as a great ergonomic grip if you're cutting upside down. Also comes with soft no-load, which can be disabled if desired. Comes as body only, as well as in a kit with two 2.5 amp hour batteries, a DC40 RA fast charger and a mat pack case. So let's see it in action.